There's a quote that I really like that's along the lines of life opens up to you the more you figure yourself out. So basically in things like business, relationship, just your life in general, the more that you figure yourself out, you conquer the things that you know you're supposed to do. You stop fapping, you stop eating junk food, you stop wasting your time and acting sluggish and playing the game all day. You start good habits like going to the gym, you start eating healthy, you start being a better friend to those around you, a better son to your parents, a better brother to your siblings. That's when life will start opening up to you. That's when things will start just aligning really well and almost like really manifesting in your life quicker and showing you that, hey, you've put in the work, so things will start to work out better for you. Now, that in relation to the title of today's video is your business will never advance faster than you do. If you have a business, which you should, this channel is all about championing people that watch and telling you guys, hey, it's 2024, you need to be in the creator economy. There is such thing as digital real estate, and if you're not posting TikToks or Reels every day, or if you're not posting on YouTube every day, basically if you're not taking up any online space, we're in a modern day gold rush and you'll really get left behind if you don't start just creating something. So basically in that, like, you need to have a business related to it, but your business, your online creation, whatever, will never advance faster than you do. This isn't like Andrew Tate. You can't be living like a degenerate lifestyle, and this will have mixed opinions, but you can't be freaking out here like treating people poorly. You can't be living just not frugally and wasting all your money. You can't be not going into the gym, but expect a business that's like actually a viable entity to advance forward. So you can be taking on new clients, or you have a product that's selling really well. Like from an energetic principle, from an energetic standpoint, your business can never, it can't even like supersede you. For some people it will, but you'd be surprised. It'll be like a rubber band. For some people it'll like stretch, and then all of a sudden it'll snap back and it'll still like go to ruin. So the best way to have like longevity in this game, in business, is to make sure you're advancing yourself. Like the best way to become a millionaire is to already be a millionaire before the world like shows it and mirrors it around you. So you have to become a millionaire internally before the money will ever reach your account. You need to have millionaire habits like waking up early, not doing drugs or drinking alcohol really, not having like multiple relations with all these women and letting them like drain you of your life source energy. Basically all the good things that a millionaire has. A lot of people think that, oh, well, I'll become a millionaire and along that journey, then I'll change. Or after I become a millionaire, then I'll change. It's actually totally backwards. You need to be wealthy first internally. Basically everything around you should be dialed in to actually having like those like millionaire habits. And then you'll notice that things will start to go really well around you. Then you'll notice that you'll start taking on more clients, because not only from an energetic principle, but people can like sense a faker. People can feel your energy. People can feel if I come on this camera and I tell you, hey, don't fap, go to the gym, like be in business, be a good person. But you would be able to feel if I was lying to you. Like you would be able to tell from the look in my eyes, or just something would seem a little bit off. So this is a real thing, and you guys have to like you have to enact it yourself. Like become that person, and other people will feel that you are, and they'll give you more opportunities because of it. If you do agree with today's video, or if you disagree and you feel like it's not the case and some people can be rich assholes and get rich without actually putting in the work, I want to hear what you have to say down in the comments. If you like today's video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and turn on post notification bell, because I do post videos like this every single day. And if you did agree with today's video, if you kind of like the lens I was going along, check out this video about how getting jacked will give you celebrity status. I do love you guys, and we will speak very, very soon.